Hey there, morning South Florida. Morning meteorologist Julie Durda. We are waking up to downright breezy and windy conditions. And with those wind speeds moving off the ocean, we will see that chance of a stray shower or storm. Now, it's going to feel good though. Temperatures only reaching the upper 80s. That's where we should be this time of year. All eyes on Hurricane Nicole, re-strengthening to a Category 2 hurricane as it heads towards Bermuda. Unfortunately, our friends in this area will be dealing with hurricane-force winds, rain, and storm surge. Deadly storm surge could be possible for them as the system will hit them tomorrow morning, and we are expecting once the system does so, it'll finally push off to the central Atlantic and move away. Going to the forecast today, highs in the upper 80s, 30% chance of showers off the breeze, drier by Friday, then we'll increase that chance of showers this weekend, but look what happens. Lows will drop down to the low 70s Monday and Tuesday, possibly even some areas with the upper 60s. Make it a great day.